Georgia, I need a song for this week's video. And you're working on a song for your piano recital. Mm-hmm. So could you play me that song? And I'll put it on our video this week.
Sure thing.
Those grids are so good.
Motivated by their 100-year family history in kitchen supply, Made founders Chip and Jake have reshaped the kitchen supply landscape with exceptionally made-to-last kitchenware. Their kitchenware is used in multiple 3 Michelin star restaurants and has received over 100,000 5-star reviews. Maiden's stainless clad pans are crafted in Italy and used by professional chefs in the world's best kitchens. Their 5-ply stainless steel is what sets them apart from other pans out there. These give you 5 layers for superior heat retention, even cooking, and ease of heat control. The handle stays cool when you're cooking and is ergonomic to help balance the pan. They can go from stovetop to the oven with ease up to 800 degrees. Check out the stainless collection and Maiden's other cookware by using the link in my description to get some of the best deals of the year.
Sunday? Next Sunday?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It is so beautiful out here.
Mm-hmm.
It rained all night. Look at it. We haven't had rain in so long. It's incredible. We had a good breakfast. And just look at these colors. Let's see what we can see on the way to the greenhouse, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
You want to go to the greenhouse with us? You want to go to the greenhouse? Come on. Juju,
Yeah?
tell me what your favorite part about this season is.
The rain. And how it smells. I really like the smell of rain.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at it. I've had such a hard time clipping things back in the garden because they're still beautiful, aren't they?
And it's really cool because it's very colorful, but it's like almost wintertime.
It's very muted colors, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So let me show you one of my favorite parts. Well, look at these. I mean,
They're so beautiful.
but then this is my absolute favorite. Look at the strawberries.
Oh my goodness. They look like fire. They look like so
Isn't that incredible?
so cool.
In just a few more days even, it's all gonna be gone. But in the meanwhile, how about we go check on things in the greenhouse, and then do you want to help me dig up some dahlia tubers over here?
Sure.
All right, let's head up. You've gotten taller since last year.
Yeah. Last year I was like, I couldn't get in.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it's so warm.
Look at it, it's a little wonderland. Do you want to come in? Okay. Shut that up.
Oh my goodness, it's so green and soily.
And soily? Isn't it incredible?
Yeah, we got that and the sheep in it. Yeah.
Okay, so I showed our YouTube friends when we planted this a few weeks ago. So I think it's good to show them where things are at now. For one, check this out. We've got blossoms and
Oh,
buds
that looks so beautiful.
everywhere on so much of our
We
citrus.
we have our a massive grapefruit way bigger than my hand.
Yes. We also have some sprouts coming up.
Yay, what is this stuff? Is it
So we have radishes and some cilantro, arugula, and then microgreens here. Some kale and some collard greens as well. Birdie, never satisfied. Go, go. Birdie, go.
He's like, no.
So we've already got some sprouts. Let's see. Right now it's
38.
70.
Oh.
It got down to 59 last night, topped out at 86 yesterday. So everyone's quite happy in here. Now we also have some visitors in the greenhouse. We have some little chicks here that were hatched out by a mother who was taken by an owl. We didn't want them to be taken next. So they're living out their first early days here in the greenhouse. And they're so happy. You can tell by the way that they chat to each other. Here's our trays of lettuces that we planted a few weeks ago. So we'll be able to just come in and pick greens off of those. The geraniums smell good and transplanted well.
And we got some red peppers, so kind of.
Well, so check this out. I've heard about overwintering peppers and I thought, let's just give it a try. And so we dug this one up. This is my chili plant. And look. I mean, I know she looks a little ragged, but see all the new growth, Juge?
Mm-hmm. There's some like dead leaves. We can just take those off.
Yeah, they'll fall off.
It's actually kind of satisfying. Oh, Mom, look at this. I have the force.
So everything, even this guy, look at him. If you pay attention to the details, you can see all kinds of beautiful things, can't you?
Oh yeah,
Not only the purple color of the sage, look at this. But here's one of mine, Juge. Look at these rose hips.
That was pretty. Yeah, I feel like
Look at these.
the rose petals fall off. The rose, like
Yeah, it makes the hip. Yep.
Yeah, it's very, very beautiful because the color is just so red and like kind of velvet red.
Yeah, and you know what? You can take these and you can make them into a tea. And they're very high in vitamin C.
I knew you were going to say that. Oh, and I also like how the flowers, I mean, I'm surprised of how the flowers, they're still colorful. Like those yellow ones over there and the roses over there and this, I'm just super surprised by that.
Yeah, it's true. Look. Over here. We even have some thistle that's just blooming. Look at that.
See, look at that. It has flowers on it.
I mean, come on. Have you ever seen something so beautiful? Look at, there's a lot of pretty things to see in each season, don't you think?
Like in the fall, the leaves. In winter, there's just a bunch of snow, and there's Christmas trees, and there's Christmas decorations. And in summer, there's flowers, and in spring, there's blooming. There's like a bunch of And
there's something to be grateful for in every season.
Yeah.
Isn't there?
And I think it was in spring that they have these really pretty snowdrops. And they're really pretty because they just kind of go up and they just kind of droop down.
Yep. Let's see if Linda laid any eggs over here.
Yeah.
You want to look?
Where is it?
Climb back in here.
Yeah, I'm going to put it back here.
Oh, yeah.
She laid two.
The colors perfectly match the season. You want to grab one? Go ahead. There you go.
It's beautiful egg. It's so dotted and beautiful.
Let's go see if the other Linda laid one over here.
Okay.
This is one of those seasons to me, especially as the gardener, you can just rush right over. You're so busy in the spring planting, you're so busy in the summer harvesting, and you're having fun in the winter resting. This is one that can just get glazed over. But to me, there's almost no magical time, more magical time to come out because there's no expectations. I could work out here for days on end, or I could just let it sit and let it rest for the winter time. Both are great options. So there's no pressure for the gardener. You just can see the beautiful things that you've created throughout the season. Linda. We'll let her be.
Okay. Are they poisonous if you don't cook them?
No.
Oh, I thought Daddy
You
said.
squish them, smell them. Try.
Oh,
Doesn't that smell
smells good.
Doesn't that smell good?
Smells like kind of like a blueberry.
Sure is pretty though when it turns color.